Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Simarchy. Welcome to my advanced building tutorial series. And if you're looking for something for beginners, I do have a beginners playlist linked in the description as well. But today I'm going to show you how to do split leveling or how to create a sunken room or sunken living room in your home. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously create your house. So let's make this our home right here. You do want to have it on a foundation for this to work. So we're going to go down here and click our foundation tool. And I think if you put it just on one up, you're not going to need stairs on the inside. Your Sims can actually walk up there pretty easily. But I do want to use stairs in this case. So let's go up maybe to the third click up. Okay, so what you want to do next is draw a room inside of the room. You can use your wall tool or you can use your room tool to make it easy today. I'm going to use the room tool right here. And just click and drag it wherever you want the sunken part to be. And then you're going to grab your hammer tool and make sure to, well, actually, before you do that, sorry. Once you have that room, you're going to click on the inside once and then click again on the flooring and click remove floor. So that's going to actually get rid of that. Once you get rid of it, then you're going to use your hammer tool to go ahead and get rid of all of this excess wall here. It is gonna delete the top of the room as well, I believe, unless you have something pre-built on top. I'm not exactly sure how that works, but let's go ahead and put another floor on top so we don't have a big open space. And now you can see the inside of the foundation from, well, I guess the outside of the foundation from the inside as well. Whatever foundation wall covering you put on the inside or outside is going to duplicate on both sides. You can use something with a lip, but then of course it makes it a bit more complicated in here, especially when you add stairs. It's going to look funny. So I usually go with one of the wall coverings that is completely flat. Let's just use white for simplicity today. And you'll see that copied it on the inside as well. So now you do have the grass showing. It's not going to treat this as a room. It is going to treat it as the outdoors, so keep that in mind. But you can go ahead and pick any sort of flooring. We'll just pick this nice simple wood today. And then the upstairs or the split level can have a different one if you like, or you can use the same one. I'm going to pretend that this is a kitchen going into a living room, so I will just use maybe this, I don't know, let's just use this. Well, I guess the white. We'll use the white tile. All right, so now you're going to go ahead and place your stairs. Any stairs will work. You can just place it in part of the room, or you can drag it all the way across. I'm going to go ahead and drag it all the way across in this instance, and you can see that you have your little sunken living room now. Okay, and then really quick, I wanted to go back to the beginning just to show you a second way of doing exactly what we just did. Exact same concept, but in case you didn't like the little lip, like the extra tiling that went around the room, you can actually just grab a wall instead of the room tool and create a wall, separating them into two separate spaces, and click on whichever side you want to remove the flooring, click on the floor and remove it. And then the exact same thing we're going to do, grab our sledgehammer, get rid of the walls here. It does get rid of the roof, so you'll either have to add an extra room up here or just grab one of the flat squares and sort of drag it all the way across like so. And then you're going to do the same thing again, grab our foundation wall covering. We'll grab the white one here. Same thing on the inside. Nice and easy. And even though it's white, of course, there's a different lighting engine because it's considering part of the house indoors and part of it outdoors. I don't know, it's kind of weird how the Sims works when it comes to that kind of stuff, but I get it. See, like part of it looks blue and part of it looks white. You could definitely play with different wallpapers to make it match nicely. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add our flooring again. This time I'm going to use the same flooring on the top floor and the bottom floor. And of course, we'll do our stairs again. And in this case, instead of dragging them across the entire room, I'll just put maybe a little two tile staircase there with a railing. And we'll copy this wallpaper down here as well. There we go. Well, you know what? That looks white and that still looks blue. I don't know. Is there a different wallpaper for the foundation that matches better? You just kind of have to play around with it. Yeah, it's going to look blue no matter what I do. I don't know. But there you have it. There is your basic introduction to split leveling. I'm sure you guys can get way more creative with this than I did. If I missed anything and you want to let me know in the comments below. And if you want a tutorial on something else, let me know as well. And if you had fun or if you learned something new, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. I will have plenty more coming out, and I will see you guys next time. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye! Wait guys, before you go anywhere, don't forget to click over here to watch new videos and click on my face when I disappear to subscribe.